Hey there, Adrienne here. I am checking in for an ankle replacement update. Just wanted to show you my backdrop today. I am in Arizona at the Lost Dutchman State Park going for a hike, and my pain level is currently 0. I'm 39 years old. I received my replacement when I was 30, so I would say I'm doing pretty well. I live a pretty active lifestyle. If I'm not hiking, my absolute favorite thing to do is mountain bike. I'm also experimenting with snowshoeing. I go full suspension ski biking. I love yoga. Basically wanted to check in and let you know that there are some positive stories out there about ankle replacements and being able to continue with an active lifestyle. I know it's tough to find videos like this, so just wanted to say, hey, if you're stumbling across this and you're looking for more information about ankle replacements, be sure and reach out to me. I'm happy to connect with you. I enjoy connecting with people from all walks of life, all over the world, to talk about joint replacements. But anyway, this is it. This is my view today. Hope you're having a great day.